What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the channel and welcome back to another video. This is Creative Auto, and in today's video I'm gonna be giving you guys 5 things that I love about my truck and 5 things that I hate about it. You see, I bought the truck knowing that I would end up having to put money into it, so these things aren't things that I wasn't aware of. It's just things that I don't like. The first thing I don't like is this window haze. I'm sure you guys can see it, and if you have an older truck or really any truck in Arizona, then you probably have the same exact issue. Considering I have a window tint plus this haze that's going on, it makes it very hard to see while I'm driving at night. So this is definitely something that's on my priority list to get done. Number two, I'm gonna have to say is the frame. It's still pretty solid, so that's why I still chose to buy it. I do want to do a frame off and get this thing sandblasted, but I don't have the space nor do I have the help to do it right now. Number three is going to be the plastics. The plastics on older vehicles can be so brittle, like it's ridiculous. I literally just bought this A-pillar and this trim up here is broken. So I have to replace that again. Same thing here. I just bought this. Already have to replace it. I'm sure a lot of you have the same exact problem with missing this boot. For me personally, all I'm missing is the screw that holds this together and the boot that goes right here. And honestly, I don't want to spend 80 bucks when I already have everything and all I'm missing is the screw and the boot. Last thing that's going to be on my hate list is my wheel and tire setup. I've got 35 by 12.5 by 24s, and to be honest, these things are like rubber bands to me. You can basically feel everything. So I'm definitely going to end up going with a smaller wheel and a thicker tire. I'm probably going to stay with 35s and go down to 18s on the wheels. Plus, I don't need such a thin tire. I'm already curb rashed on every single wheel. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. I should have just bought the truck that didn't have any issues with it and I don't have to deal with this. But there's no fun in that, and you know that. This is going to bring me to the 5 things that I love about it. Number one being ride quality. Considering the big lift, wheels, and tires that I have set up on this thing, it rides pretty smooth. Two is going to be reliability. These motors can last you a lifetime if you really do maintain and keep up with them, so I can't complain with that. Three will be versatility and modifications. I'm personally not a power kind of person, but I do enjoy the fact that if I did want to cam or tune it or anything of that nature, I do have that option and it will hold up. Four is going to be how easy they are to work on. I've had this truck for roughly 3 years now, and I've done both engine work and I've done suspension stuff, and I can definitely say it's a lot easier than other things that I've worked on. Lastly, I'm going to give it up to my subsystems. These things, they could do some damage for sure. I definitely have to upgrade my speakers in the front. I already have them. They've been sitting for probably a year now. I just haven't put them in because I got to do some adjustments that I just haven't had the time to do. But they definitely do their due diligence, that's for sure. That's going to conclude today's video. I thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and drop a comment down below and let me know how do you feel about your truck. What do you hate about it and what do you love about it? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to catch you on the next one. I'm out.